Hi, I'm Jocelyn Humphreys. I teach AP Computer Science Principles at John Jay High School in the Wappinger Central School District in suburban New York State. Right now, I'm supposed to be at the University of Indiana Bloomington at the Summer Pathfinders Conference 2020. But well, it's 2020. It's the summer of 2020, and we sort of all know how that went. So I'm doing what everybody's doing. I'm camped out in my spare bedroom trying to make the best of social distancing. Fortunately for me and for my students, though, the people at Infosys, who are the sponsors of Summer Pathfinders, have figured out a way to make all of this work. And including all this stuff you see down here that enabled us to go to class virtually. So they sent us all this swag in the mail and T-shirts, and they sent us all the products that we needed from our classes. I'm taking a class with Furia Labs, and the class is about physical computing with Python. So I'm really excited about that. And I got my little robot. So it's really, really awesome. And I would like to give a huge thank you, a huge shout out to David Ewing, who is the entrepreneur engineer who created the CodeBot and all the curriculum that goes along with it, to his wife, Jerry, who's an administrative goddess, and to several of the people, the practicing teachers they've brought in to assist with teaching the class, especially to Brian Cohen from New York City, who has really helped us focus on things that we can do to keep organized in our classroom and just to have great teaching practices, especially during this pandemic. If we happen to be going distance learning in the fall, most of us still don't know at this point in time. So at this point, the other group I'd like to give a thank you to is the benefactors who have made it possible for me to go to this program. Donors Choose comes through for me every single year. And so thank you so much, everyone from Donors Choose. You guys made it possible for all this to happen and for my kids to keep up with the latest and greatest in computer science. I love you, and thank you. So in just a second, I'm going to turn my camera around the other direction and show you a little app that I built on here with the help of the people at Furia Labs to make this CodeBot run all around my floor.